Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to remove line breaks and unwanted gaps on your Wix website. Whether you are dealing with awkward spacing in your text or weird empty holes in your mobile layout, these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you tighten up your design. First, let's look at text formatting. If you have an unwanted line break inside a paragraph, simply click the text box and select Edit Text. Highlight the gap and hit backspace. One pro tip for 2026, if you want a new line without the massive double space of a new paragraph, use Shift-Enter instead of just Enter. This creates a soft return that keeps your text together. If your text is wrapping too early, just grab the side handles of the text box and stretch it wider to give the words more room to breathe. Next, let's tackle those annoying gaps under your Pro Gallery slideshow. This usually happens in the mobile editor if your info bar is active. Click the gallery, go to Settings, and hit the Layout tab. Click Customize Layout and find the info bar size slider. If you drag that down to 0, the blank space underneath will vanish instantly. This relates directly to how the gallery containers are calculated on smaller screens. The final connected step is fixing the gap between your page and your footer. This is a classic mobile-only issue. Open your mobile editor and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on the very end of your page body right above the footer. You will see a small page height icon. It looks like a double-headed arrow. Double-click that icon and Wix will automatically snap the footer up to the bottom of your content, removing the empty space. That is literally it. If this guide helped you clean up your site's spacing, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you're still seeing a gap you can't click on, and I will see you in the next video.